2 of the Glogster tutorial. Let's get started and create a glog. The first thing you need to do is click on the Create New Glog button. From there, you're going to need to choose a template. I'm going to start with the vertical template. Once that loads, you'll see they already put in some different graphics for you. You guys can keep those or delete them or alter them. I'll start by showing you how to alter a graphic. If you click on it with your mouse and hold down, you can move this to anywhere you want. So we'll just put it right there. You'll also see a whole bunch of different options here. This is to change the color. This one here would let you alter the text. So you can type in something. And to change the font, just make sure you're highlighting your text and then you choose whatever font from the side you like. You can also change the color, the size, bold, italic, any of that stuff. Get rid of that. To add an image, you can do it a couple different ways, but the best way I think is to hit the plus sign and you're going to select graphics. Glogster has a whole bunch of graphics that are already loaded in there for you, and they're filtered by different categories. So we'll just click on space, wait for it to load, and then select one we like, and you're going to click on use it. After that, you will see that they put the little image in there for you. Again, you can drag it. You click on these to turn it. If you want to give it a drop shadow, you can do that using the effects tool. To add your own graphics or your own images, you would go to image and you can do a couple different things. You can select this button and then you are able to find images on your computer. This one lets you pull images off of the web. You can see I already have a couple images loaded, but say you want to do a Google search, you can type in something and let it search, and I typed in NASA Orion and a few different pictures came up. So I like this one, and you can do all sorts of things. You can add a frame if you want. You don't have to, but every time you do those things, Glogster will bring up different options for you. So let's add a frame, and I like this one. So we'll say use it. And you'll see that they've now put in that photo I found using a Google search. So we can change the size again, maybe move it over there. If you don't like an image, like let's say we want to get rid of this happy face, it's real easy. You just hit the trash button. Let's see, to add text, you would just click on text. You can choose if you want to add a heading or if you want to add paragraph. There's these little thought bubble things, all different ones, just depending on what kind of category you hit. So I'm going to say that I want to add a paragraph of text. Got to click use it. And then you'll see they put it right down here at the bottom. So let me hide this. We'll go down to the text. And here's where you could start typing in and again, to change the font, you just use this, the color, the sizes, it's all done here. Let's say you wanted to add a link. That is very easy. You just highlight the text that you want the hyperlink to go to, click on the link, and type in the URL. So now if someone were to click on that, it'd bring them to NASA's website. Let's click out of there. We can move this wherever we want. Like I said, to move things, you just got to hold down with the mouse and drag it around. Now, to change the background of your glog, you're going to want to go to the wall, and you'll see your images that you've already downloaded are there. or you can go to the gallery, and Glogster has tons of different things to choose from. So let's choose something from the art folder. You select the folder, tell it to open, and then we'll just look for a background we like. This one looks nice. Tell it to use it, and then you'll see now your blog has a nice background. Let's see, you can add audio clips if you'd like. Again, you can get them from your website, pull them from, get them from your computer, pull them from the internet. There's also video that you can add. This one's already loaded on there, but I found that just by doing the YouTube search and typing in Orion, it will bring up different videos. So I'm going to say I want to use that one. And then we'll hide that again. And now you have your video in there. You can size it, make it smaller, make it bigger, position it wherever you think it needs to be. And then once you have something you like, you are going to save it. You're going to give it a name. And it's finished. I'm done with it. So I'm going to click on Save. Sometimes this can take a while. Oh, okay, there we go. So now our blog's been saved, and I'm going to click on Preview. So this is what it looks like to others who are going to view your blog. And you'll see there that, let's get rid of this again. You'll see the images we chose. You'll see that video. You can play the video. There you go. So it's a pretty cool thing to use. After that, when you're all done, you've previewed it, you like it, there's no more editing, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to click on Send to Friends. But you're really just going to email it to yourself. And then click Send to Friends. And then what will happen is you'll get an email from Glogster, and then you need to click on that link, make sure that everything looks good and everything's fine. And then you're going to copy that link and you're going to paste it into a Word doc, and then you're going to upload that Word doc into Moodle. And there you have it. That's how to create a blog.